in 4 ways. You could increase your speed of your website. First, Cloudflare configuration. Second, resume mesh.it. It is a plugin. Number 2 to number 4, we could use plugin. Number 3, Jetpack plugin. Number 4, W3 Total Cache. It is the most popular plugin in the world. At first, we will see our website speed. So we can watch by 3 websites. Google Page, Speed Insight, Pingdom and GTMax. Page Speed Insight, Pingdom. Click here, Pingdom. It is our website URL. Just click. It is GTMax website. Test your site. Click test your site. They are showing result. Same work will do in Pingdom. Select the zone. Asia. We live in Asia. That's why select Asia. Then again, Page Speed Insight. Click the website link and click the analyze. The result show just it's loading time 2.1 second. Total page MB 1.32 MB and page speed is 55%. And another site Pingdom shows page loading time 2.84 and page MB 1.4. And now we will go to the Google Speed. Google shows 2 options, mobile version and desktop version. Mobile version 23 and desktop version 65. So go to the website and go to the plugin, click add new. On search bar write resume sheet and click install plugin, then active. Then go to media and click remesh it dot. Here the settings, image quality 0 to 100. If you increase it, your image quality is high. If you decrease it, then image quality low. To check this 2 box and click the, now in left side click the optimize all images. Click optimize all images. The image automatically optimized. If you upload next time, it will be optimized. So second option, we will use Cloudflare. Go to the Cloudflare website. If you have an account, if you don't have an account, create an account. If you have an account, just go to the login. Click login. Put your username and password. Then login. Right side, click on add site. Copy and paste here. Then click add site. I am selecting free option, confirm plan, continue, then click confirm. Here 2 options, server name. Go to the domain hosting plan, hosting configuration and name server. Name server, under name server, custom and ID, 2 server available. Just copy from Cloudflare, copy this one, name server 1 and name server 2 and paste here. Name server 2, now copy name server 2 and paste it. Is your hosting plan. Just click OK. First instance, OK. Now done and check. Just API zone, get your API. Click get your API. Click API token, global API key, view, put your password and verify the security check. Copy it. It will work after 3 steps. So copy it and keep it. Log out the option and option number 3. Now we will use Jetpack. Go to your website admin, put username and password, then login, and go to the plugin and click add new. In the search bar write Jetpack, then click install, then click active. Then you can see this option. If you have an account, just click continue. If you don't have an account, then click create new. I have an account, so create password and then click escape, and then click escape, again escape, select free plan, start with free. So continue. You can see like this, view our website. And go to the Jetpack settings, click performance, enable site accelerator, then enable lazy load for images, downtime monitoring, click here, get alerts if your site goes offline. After just go to the view your site. Jetpack helps us to optimize images. When your website is load, lot of code load. So Jetpack shows us by from different server. This image display A2I. So it is a main benefit from Jetpack. Jetpack provides another server facilities. So that's why Jetpack is better. And now we will install W3 toolcase. Go to plugin, click add new, type name and click install, then click active and click performance phase case. Check on the enable box, it is blank. Opcode case, it is leave it as usual. Then again view page shows lot of code available here. Browser case helps you to load fast your website. Click here, optimize disk enhanced, verify rewrite rules. Click here. If your website have HTTPS certificate, then click. Our website is HTTPS, that's why we check this box. If you don't have, just leave it unchecked. Click administrator and editor. Now click save all settings. Now go browser case, set the experience header and set case control header. Then click save all change. Go to the Cloudflare and click active and go to the Cloudflare settings. Click authorize. Then put your API key which you copied before. Put your email address. Then click next and select the radio button. Then click next. By default it is, leave it by default. Check these three boxes, JS, CS and HTML. Hot link protection, security level medium. Medium is better. Cloudflare SSL. Select Cloudflare SSL. HTTPS. If you have no, then select off. Then click Save Cloudflare Settings. Go to again Face Cases. Case preload. Select Automate and set up the URL sitemap URL. Just write your website name /sitemaps.xml. It is your sitemap. Then click Save All Changes. So you can recheck. Browser caches. Browser cache helps you to load the website fast. So Cloudflare, all settings is okay. Now our settings is okay. First time we see our website test. Again now we will check our website speed test from three websites: Google Page Speed Insight and GTmetrix, then Pingdom. Go to log out from your backend and go to the Google again. Same rules, follow the same rules. Just type the website name and visit the website and put your URL in the search box. Put your URL in search box. They will show you the result. So they are showing the result. Our page speed is increases. So it is helpful your website to load fast. So thank you guys for watching our video. If you have any question, leave in comment section. We will try to as soon as possible to reply your answer. So thank you.